Today we will learn Chinese characters.
门
Next, let's watch the pronunciation demonstration.
门 摸 门 门 大门 大门 这是一扇大门。这是一扇大门。门口，门口。我在门口等你。我在门口等你。关门，关门。进来，请关门。进来，请关门。
Please look at the stroke order of this character. This character is symmetrical on the left and the right. This character was created by ancient Chinese people based on the appearance of the double doors of a house. Its original meaning refers to the entrance door of houses and courtyards. In ancient China, family status was represented by social rank, divided into noble families and poor families. Do not write the two sides too close to each other. Spread them out a little. That's all for today's study. Bye.